So a lot of people for getting clients, they are using a personalized messages approach, and that is a very good approach as well, but if it is done very rightly. And on the top of that, if you wanted to build a customized Loom video, and if you wanted to send it to your prospects to get more higher number of responses and all, then your bottlenecks comes up that you cannot create unlimited videos for unlimited prospects. But stay till the end, and I am going to showcase you the problem, the solution of that specific problem only. I have created this system which you only have to just record one single time, and the system is going to generate you unlimited time, unlimited number of videos for you, personalized. It is going to speak with your own tone, and just it is going to like generate you unlimited videos. So this is the platform I'm going to showcase you, and you can create the UI and all whatever according to AI. It is up to you, but this is something amazing, and this is the output which I actually get for each and every prospect. So let's say I'm going to showcase you a demo. Let's say if I put here Vikas, I'm just putting a random number, okay, and here are two versions, so as agency founders, let's say, and if I click generate and publish, then it is going to like put it into queue, and it is going to run it, and it is going to generate video, and it is going to give me here in these list, okay. And likewise you can see I have generated one by one, and it is going to automatically give me a hosted link as well. Can you imagine? So this is the output which we are looking for, okay. So let me give you one more example till the time that is actually I mean creating and all. So let's see a demo video. So this is the view which you can just send with this link. You do not have to use Loom videos anymore, and it will also give you one this type of link. You can just put your calendar and all here. You can just, okay, this here as well also is the calendar link. This is the transcript, okay, and it is going to like run. You can see.
Hey Alan, how's it going? Just 1 second here. Showcase you that what we do because I think it might be really relevant.
Okay, so yeah, this is what the thing is, and this is by the way for my own business. So I am showcasing you showing you something which is actually I am utilizing it, okay. It is not something very random built just for the video sake. So you have to be with me till this end, and I am going to showcase you that how we are going to generate it here in this Claude as well, okay. So yeah, you are also going to get the entire, yeah, you can see it actually generated as well, and here is the logs and all. You can see it clearly, and also it hosted it as well, okay. It not only showcase you that I mean only the video only, it is also tracking as well, okay. When we copy it and put it here, you can see I have generated this one in front of you right away. This only takes so fast, I mean in 1 or 2 minutes it just generated this video, so you can see it.
Hey Vikas, how's it going? Just give me 1 second here. Yeah, I think we are good. You can see me. So hi, this is just Preet. I'll keep it really short. I just wanted to give you a walk.
So see, this is what the output we are looking for, and how we are going to generate it you are going to see in this video. So the recipe is that first of all the bottleneck, let's see. Okay, so usually I love this analogy. I have taken it from somewhere, okay. So this is a pipeline, okay, and usually you have to see every single whatever the process you are talking in your business, you should see it as a pipeline, okay. And in the pipeline, if somewhere is a leaky, or if somewhere is the bottleneck, then the maximum amount of water which is going to get out is actually going to be limited or dependent upon that bottleneck specifically. So you actually fixing any other area is not going to fix the output, because that bottleneck is actually being the culprit. So you have to specifically understand that, and you need to fix that. And this is where this trust thing comes up. So if your outreach messages, or if your email, or whatever the way you are actually reaching out to your prospects, there are unlimited use cases that you can utilize this kind of system for your business. So this kind of system can help you in building your trust, because it is actually personalizing, it is actually giving you the output, the personalized one, okay. And for this, what I have used, I am going to showcase you that as well in the architecture one, but this one is so much important, okay. And this is so simple to build, okay. So next one is, who is this for? This is I mean, this is from my own like prospects and all I am just looking for. So accordingly I have made it like for agency founders, for consultants. It can be relevant, but on the other side it can be relevant for the people who are actually trying to reach out for their business and all. Any, I mean, area you can think of, you have to like there are many different use cases that you can come up with. Okay, so you can just ask AI where you can use it as well. But on the other side, this is one of the best way you can utilize here this solution. Okay, then how we are going to create this is, I mean, sorry, how the process is going to create this is, you have to put a name as I did here as well. Only the name I have published on, and then I selected the version. I have generated or created or recorded two versions, so that is why it is showcasing 2.1. Okay, on the other side I have an option, if I create multiples then I can pick from those according to the target. So yeah, it is going to take your name as an input. Then it is already having your own voice, it is trained upon, and for that I have utilized this platform which is resemble AI, which is Chatterbox this one. Okay, this is free from 11 labs. You do not have to use any 11 labs API or anything, because that is going to make it costly. Although it depends, if you are doing it for very, I would say, on a bulk basis, then it is going to like depending upon that. But on the other side it is going to be very much cheaper for you, because it is kind of open source and it is free. So it is just utilizing your GPU's processing, that's it. Otherwise it's good. Okay, so the next one is that it is going to verify with the 6 checks. Okay, and it is designed such that, so that it can generate you the verified output only. So and then it is automatically loop it till the time the verification checks gets completed. Then it is going to publish it on your own domain, plus it is going to give you a link, and also it is going to track that who is watching at which level and all. 90 seconds start to finish, or it does not takes a lot, because I have shown you as well in front of you. I've just created, I can create one more as well, that is not an issue. Okay, so yeah, that is what the flow is. On the other side, what is the basic ideology or basic I would say the fundamental which I have utilized in the architecture level. So I've used Claude Code. In Claude Code, how you usually build systems is that it is, you have to start from the end. You have to start the output from, like, I have created this video and I have tried to find it, find the output which I actually wanted in the flow itself by prompting it, by whatever, doing some things and all. When I got that, yeah, this is what the output which I want and this can create it, then I converted it into a skill, multiple skills, whatever. And on the other side, then I have created it into like one command, and then in the cloud. Because when you generate it into a skill, you just have to talk like, yeah, this is what the name is, and you have to give me the link. It generates you. Then the next one is the, I have converted it into cloud, so I have hosted it somewhere, so you can see that, yeah, it is going to work on from a different, online as well. You can visit this link as well, but on the other side it is not going to work because there is a password protected. But on the other side, yeah, this is what you can generate or create these kind of systems. On the other side, what the AI gives you, and the gate does, a check that never fails is not a check. Okay, so here I have created multiple different checks according to my threshold, according to my quality check which I actually wanted. So it is going to go through with all of that, and accordingly it is going to check, and sometimes it fails as well, but it will automatically loop it till the time all the verifications are done. Okay, and for this I have actually utilized this Claude Code routine, you can see. Okay, so there are multiple ways you can utilize Claude Code routine and all these functionalities, agentic AI functionalities. So this is at underlying level, it is actually utilizing that only. It is so simple, man, it is not that much difficult. Okay, now the second thing is that Now it actually, you what you need is that the problem comes up is your voice sometimes does not matches and sometimes your energy does not matches. So for that, this resemble AI is automatically, this chatterbox is automatically, you have to just tweak it according to whenever we are prompting it, whenever we are getting the output, we have to prompt it in such a way, and we have to tweak it again, again and again, and accordingly it is going to give you the right output according to what you want. Okay, so cut your voice sample from the same energy as the greeting or it sounds like a stranger, because if you will not match your same energy, it is definitely going to sound like a stranger, that yeah, this voice is by someone else and this voice is someone else. So that is what I have actually tried to reduce with these verifications and all. Okay, so the ladder is that you have to record a video, clone the voice, then build the gate, then automatically it is going to like host the page, and in one command, through the command control panel, it is going to go live. So this is the process that you have to, go through with the 7 prompts which I am going to give you. So in the description itself you can visit and you can get this prompt. Okay, and this prompt you are going to get the entire flow, entire instruction set, that how you have to like go through with this platform. You just have to copy this prompt and put it into the Claude Code, and it is going to generate you this kind of output. Okay, this is the verification gate. Then firstly you have to, it is actually giving you stages. Okay, the first stage it will be going to generate you, then you have to check the output whatever, and then the second you have to generate the gate, then you have to generate the hosting and the player page, and then in one command end to end it is going to generate you the personalized video, and then you have to generate a control panel from where you can like utilize it, and then finally till this point it is going to be hosted on your own platform, on your own laptop only. Okay, but from this level you can live it on platforms like modal.com. Okay, because Chatterbox needs um, your GPU processing, and this is what is the platform which actually provides you that. Okay, so yeah, you have to utilize that. You have to like generate a model.com link, sorry, account, and it is going to give you some free credits as well. You can utilize my link as well, but it depends, you can take it directly as well, that is not any issue. Okay, so yeah, just go to model.com and just sign up there, and then it is going to give you this kind of output, one page, no login, no download, nothing to install, just ready to send for your prospects to see this kind of output. Okay, and you can like, yeah, customize your page as well. It is not like, yeah, this is the only output which you only want. Okay, you can customize your page.
Hey
Hey
Han,
Han,
to do because I think it might be really relevant to what's ever left of nowhere. So
so
what
what
we
we
do
do
is
is
pretty
pretty
really
really
simple.
simple.
So
So
we
we So yeah, I'm not going to play all the complete entire video. It is also going to analyze, check the analytics, track the analytics, that yeah, who is the person who is actually watching it as well, and who is the person who actually just pressed play or did not play it or no activity, whatever. It actually tells you that. And on the top of that, you can actually build a lot of other functionalities as well. It's up to you. And you record yourself like, at first previously what you might have to do for this kind of same output, you have to record 50 videos yourself for 3 hours, and that is also very big headache, because every single time you are going to do some kind of other tweaks in your saying and all, and sometimes it might not work, so you have to re-record some of those and all. So it is not going to give you the best output. Okay, but on the other side, when we are running it through this, run 50 through the system and about $1, because 2 cents a video is the cost, which was, previously the reason that you weren't doing this is the cost that I just wanted to tell. 2 cents a video, this is the cost. Okay, it's almost free. Okay, you can see, you can generate, man, how many of you want. Okay, you can batch create as well. You can put here Stozy, whatever names you wanted to put here, name and agency or coaches, whatever type of the like this version you want, you can just put it there, and accordingly it is going to pick up. Okay, your own voice, not anyone else. This is a consent line, not a technical one. Only ever clone your own voice only. Okay, so I mean AI is automatically going to check or give you this kind of errors or like flags. And all the 7 prompts, you can just visit it from the link in the description, or you can just visit this and you are going to get this prompt. Okay, you have to just copy it, and you have to go to here and pick up one folder in it. And so we are going to create this for just as a demo YouTube video, so you can like take this prompt and you generate this platform for YouTube. Okay, so yeah, this is what we have generated, we have done, I mean given it. So it is going to generate that. Check what's already is in there. Nothing is there. We have to do the bypass pass permissions. Empty directory you have to create every single thing. Okay, it is saying you already have this skill whatever, but you do not need all that. Okay, so this is what the prompts. Let me know how, what else you wanted to know. I'm going to create videos every single day, not every single day, I'm going to try I mean with a lot of frequency, because I am very much passionate about these kind of builds, with these kind of custom builds, doing something crazy, because a lot of solutions are out there and people are just stuck at the very generic ones, although those generic ones are also helpful, like the voice agents and all those things. But yeah, you man can create amazing things with AI, and if you are not utilizing it, then you are literally missing out a lot. So with this note, I just wanted to end this video, and I hope that this might have given you some kind of good insights of that how you can actually create these kind of systems. And what else you would like to know, just let me know. And just stay tuned on this channel, and I'm going to create some crazy amazing videos out there. And what I'm doing is basically I am going through with the problems I am facing, and I am creating systems on the top of it, and that's what I am just sharing with you guys. So it's not something random just for the video. I am actually creating these kind of systems just for my own self, and the next system which I am actually going to come up with is also something amazing as well. Okay, so stay tuned, and hence I'm signing off. This is just Preet, so let's meet in our next video. Thank you so much, and subscribe to this channel. Bye bye guys.